Step into the whimsical world of microgreens cultivation, where tiny seeds sprout into vibrant bursts of flavor and nutrition. To embark on this delightful journey, you'll need a sprinkle of seeds, a dash of soil, and a pinch of patience. Plant your seeds in shallow trays filled with nutrient-rich soil. Then water them gently and watch as they awaken from their slumber. Now, here comes the magic touch. Illuminate your greens with bright LED grow lights, mimicking the gentle caress of the sun. Within days, your miniature greens will reach for the sky, ready to adorn your dishes with their miniature majesty. Welcome to the Green Revolution. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: The Organic Mat Guide to Growing Radish, a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial introduction. Welcome to the world of organic gardening, where the earth's bounty thrives in harmony with nature. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of growing radishes using an organic mat. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice enthusiast, this step-by-step tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and skills to cultivate delicious radishes right in your own home. Chapter 1. Understanding organic mats. Organic mats are eco-friendly alternatives to traditional soil-based gardening. Made from natural materials such as coconut coir, jute, or hemp, these mats provide a nutrient-rich environment for plant growth without the need for soil. They promote better water retention, aeration, and root development, making them ideal for cultivating a wide range of crops, including radishes. Chapter 2. Choosing the right organic mat. When selecting an organic mat for growing radish, consider factors such as thickness, moisture retention, and biodegradability. Opt for mats specifically designed for microgreens or small root vegetables, as they provide the ideal balance of moisture and air circulation for radish growth. Look for mats made from sustainable materials that are free from chemicals or synthetic additives. Chapter 3. Preparing the organic mat. Before planting radish seeds on the organic mat, it's essential to prepare the mat properly. Soak the mat in water for at least 30 minutes to ensure thorough hydration. This step allows the mat to absorb moisture evenly, creating an optimal environment for seed germination and root development. Once the mat is fully saturated, gently wring out any excess water to prevent waterlogging. Chapter 4. Planting radish seeds. Now that the organic mat is ready, it's time to plant the radish seeds. Scatter the seeds evenly across the surface of the mat, ensuring sufficient spacing between each seed to allow room for growth. Press the seeds lightly into the mat to ensure good seed-to-soil contact, but avoid burying them too deeply. Radish seeds are relatively small, so a thin layer of soil or vermiculite can be sprinkled over the seeds to help retain moisture and protect them from drying out. Chapter 5. Providing adequate light and water. Radish seeds require consistent moisture and ample light to germinate and thrive. Place the organic mat in a well-lit area with indirect sunlight, or use artificial grow lights specifically designed for indoor gardening. Maintain a consistent watering schedule, keeping the mat evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot and other moisture-related issues. Monitor the mat regularly and adjust the watering frequency as needed based on environmental conditions. Chapter 6. Monitoring growth and maintenance. As the radish seeds germinate and grow, monitor their progress regularly to ensure healthy development. Keep the organic mat moist but not saturated, and provide adequate airflow to prevent mold or mildew growth. Thin out overcrowded seedlings if necessary to allow space for mature plants to thrive. Remove any debris or dead foliage from the mat to maintain cleanliness and prevent pest infestations. With proper care and attention, your radishes will soon be ready for harvest. Chapter 7. Harvesting radishes. Radishes are typically ready for harvest within 25 to 30 days after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. To harvest radishes grown on an organic mat, gently pull the mature plants from the mat, taking care not to disturb neighboring seedlings. Rinse the harvested radishes under cool water to remove any soil or debris, then trim off the tops and roots. before enjoying them fresh or incorporating them into your favorite recipes. Conclusion: congratulations on successfully growing radishes using an organic mat. By following this step-by-step tutorial, you've learned how to create a thriving microgreen garden right in your own home. With patience, dedication, and a touch of green thumb magic, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious, nutritious radishes while minimizing your environmental impact. Happy gardening! Conclusion continued. In addition to mastering the art of growing radishes with an organic mat, there's another crucial aspect to consider: sharing your newfound knowledge with others. Liking, sharing, and commenting on this video not only helps to increase its importance and visibility, but also fosters a sense of community among fellow gardening enthusiasts. Your feedback and engagement are valuable, and each like, share, and comment will be carefully considered and answered, contributing to the growth and success of this educational resource. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on future tutorials, and join our growing community of organic gardeners. Together, let's spread the joy of gardening and inspire others to cultivate their own green oasis. Happy growing!